The market order flow indicator gives us real-time time and sales tracking. It's going to show us exactly who is in control, the buyers or the sellers, and it does this by plotting the buyers and sellers activity in the current bar. It also is going to give us the net delta above the current bar, so you can really see who is winning and losing on the current bar. It works on any time frame and any chart type, any market, futures, ETF, stocks, and Forex. Here it is on the ES. This is the S&P 500 mini contract. And what it's going to do here is shows you bars that have numbers in them, and these numbers represent activity that happened on the bid or on the offer. So here we have a super DOM, which is the order book, and you're going to see trades take place here, and they flow over to time and sales. Well, time and sales then will put the information into the correct boxes. So all the bids volume will go in the bid side here, and all of the offer or ask volume will go into the ask or offer side of the bar. Okay, so all the stuff in here happened on the bid. Now, what happens on the bid is a seller has crossed over and is aggressively hitting the bid. That's an aggressive seller. Okay, so the bid side represents aggressive sellers, and the offer side represents aggressive buyers. And we want to be able to measure that aggression. It's extraordinarily important in being able to determine who is doing what, aggressive buyers or aggressive sellers, and who is in control. Now here's another way of looking at it. Again, this is on an ES. Here we have the super DOM over here. You guys have seen this before. And we have a time and sales. So this is going to show how the flow works. So the order takes place on, you see it on the order on the super DOM, and it flows over to time and sales, and it's color coded. If it's blue, it means it's happened on the bid. If it's on the bid, then it's going to put it in the correct little box here at the right price. Okay, so this 86.25, it's on blue, so it's going to be on the bid, which is the left-hand side of the bar. You can see the same thing going on right here with the offer. Green means it happened on the offer, and it's going to go from there into that 212 box at that price. So we can track exactly what's going on from time and sales from the order book directly to the current bar. And remember that the left-hand side is the bid. Now the left-hand side, the bid side, this is where aggressive selling takes place. So these are all aggressive sellers. These are people that have crossed over, did not want to be passive and wait for their order to be hit by sitting on the offer. They crossed over and hit the bid. Again, the offer side is the right-hand side. This represents aggressive buyers because the buyers are crossing over and aggressively hitting the offer. They're not passive and waiting on the bid for their order to take place. So this is a summation of aggression. Very, very important for learning how to read order flow and determining who is in control, the buyers or the sellers. Start using this indicator immediately. Ready to use right out of the box with default settings. It comes with a detailed explanation video, a PDF manual, and don't forget our 30-day love it or replace it guarantee. If within 30 days you don't love it, we'll happily replace it with one that you do. That's equal to the price you paid. No questions asked. So go ahead and get started right away.